Today, we're going to take a look at Zoho Analytics and how you can use AI to build SQL queries. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to go create a new query. And right off the bat, you can see it automatically generates an example for you. But here's a cool thing, is you can use Zia to be able to create your statements. So let's say I want to generate a query to show all of the meetings that contain the host, me, Jason, or the meetings with the type of SIH. Okay, going to generate, and it has given me a start. Now, let's see if this is correct. Okay, it gives us some errors. All right, so host. Well, I can come over here. I want to go to meetings. This is the table. This is the information. And I want to try to see what's the host. Oh, it's host name. So we can come up here and I'm going to change that to host name. Try again. Nope, there's still something missing. So how about type? No, we don't have type, but what we do, we have event type, but that wasn't what we were looking for. We were looking for the title. So let's change this to title. Oh, and it will automatically put the quotes in for you, so I forgot to take them out. There you go. And now look. It gives us the results. And we could come up here, give it a quick little, give it a new name so we can save it. And now if we go to view mode, should see, oh, nothing comes up. So let's go back and see what we did. Oh, well, here we go. How about we want to, let's go back up to our Zia, and we want to say generate a SQL query from the meetings module or table where the host name is Jason Grogan and the title contains SIH. Let's see how this one does. Okay, select meetings where host name equals and title like, and see, and now we're going to execute, and boom, there's results. All right, so super simple. It helps to know a little bit about the syntax. If you have questions on syntax, you can always check out W3 Schools for more SQL help. Also, another way you can do is in Writer, you can open up a blank document, and it also can use Zia, or you can have, from your extensions, if you have a chat GTP, you can add that and you can type in, here's an example where you just start typing in here again what you're wanting, and then it's going to give it to you. You can copy and paste into your analytics here. You can try to execute and then work out the details from that, the bugs from that. But it's a great tool. It's pretty quick. If you're not super familiar with SQL, this is a great help. It's super easy to use, super fun. And the more you play with it, the quicker you'll be able to get these up and rolling. Yeah, AI is helping us do things quicker and sometimes a lot easier than having to go and learn all this ourselves. So thank you for watching and have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.